So here at State College Area High School, like most places where physics is studied, we assume that gravity has a strength of 9.81 meters per second squared. However, that's relative to the distance you are from the center of the Earth. We know the further you get from the Earth, the weaker gravity becomes. So where do you think you would have to go on the Earth to find the weakest possible gravity? So I am on a quest to reach the furthest point from the center of the Earth, the place where I will find the weakest force of gravity. So for your sake, I am going to climb Mount Everest without the aid of oxygen. See you. Oh, it's cold up here. I can hardly breathe. Let's see how strong gravity is. You know, I'm not quite sure if it's as weak as it could be. I think I need to try someplace else. So as it turns out, gravity is actually weakest. You are furthest from the center of the Earth in a pizza shop. No, just kidding. But the pizza shop shows us something about why the Earth is not truly a sphere and is in fact an oblate spheroid. Observe as this young man tosses the pizza dough. Right now, as the pizza dough is spinning in the air, the centrifugal force, the illusion of outward force caused by the inertia of the spinning pizza dough, causes the dough to become stretched out in the middle, making a nice delicious crust. The same thing's happening to the Earth and its delicious crust as it spins about its own axis, causing the center of it to become larger in circumference and squished from top to bottom. So let's go to someplace closer to the equator of the Earth to observe where we really are the furthest from its center. To do so, I need to take my Ecuadorian hat. So here I am in the Ecuadorian rainforest. Hope there's not a dress code here. And it looks like that I'm actually a little further from the center of the Earth here than I was in Nepal. But I have to press on a little further to get to the exact spot. Here it is, Mount Chimborazo. Don't know if you've ever heard of it before, but because the Earth is an oblate spheroid, Chimborazo is actually the furthest point from the center of the Earth. And here, gravity is at its very weakest. Let me demonstrate. As you can see, weak gravity.